Lesson 10. In this lesson, you will learn 10 colors in Malagasy. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe everyday things around you: the sky, a flower, an apple, a cat. Listen first, and then we will practice each color one by one.
Mena ny paoma.
Manga ny lanitra.
Maitso ny ravina.
Let us begin with the color red. To say the apple is red in Malagasy, you say,
Mena ny paoma.
In that sentence, the first word is the color word for red, and the last word means apple. Listen and repeat.
Mena ny paoma. Mena ny paoma.
Now for blue. To say the sky is blue, you say,
Manga ny lanitra.
Again, the color comes first, and the last word means sky. Listen and repeat.
Manga ny lanitra. Manga ny lanitra.
Now for green. To say the leaf is green, you say,
Maitso ny ravina.
The last word here means leaf. Listen and repeat.
Maitso ny ravina. Maitso ny ravina.
Now for yellow. To say the banana is yellow, you say,
Mavo ny akondro.
The last word means banana. Listen and repeat.
Mavo ny akondro. Mavo ny akondro.
Let us pause for a quick check. How would you say the apple is red?
Mena ny paoma.
How would you say the sky is blue?
Manga ny lanitra.
And how would you say the leaf is green?
Maitso ny ravina.
Excellent. Let us continue with more colors. To say the cat is black, you say,
Mainty ny saka.
The first word is the color for black, and the last word means cat. Listen and repeat.
Mainty ny saka. Mainty ny saka.
Now for white. To say the cloud is white, you say,
Fotsy ny rahona.
the last word means cloud. Listen and repeat.
Fotsy ny rahona. Fotsy ny rahona.
Now for brown. To say the tree is brown, you say,
Volontany ny hazo.
the last word means tree. Listen and repeat.
Volontany ny hazo.
Volontany ny hazo.
Now for purple. To say the flower is purple, you say,
Volomparasy ny voninkazo.
The last word means flower. Listen and repeat.
Volomparasy ny voninkazo. Volomparasy ny voninkazo.
Now for pink. To say the rose is pink, you say,
Mavokely ny raozy.
the last word means rose. Listen and repeat.
Mavokely ny raozy. Mavokely ny raozy.
And now for orange. To say the orange fruit is orange, you say,
Volomboasary ny voasary.
Interestingly, the color name in Malagasy comes from the name of the fruit. Listen and repeat.
Volomboasary ny voasary. Volomboasary ny voasary.
Wonderful. You have now learned all 10 colors. Let us review them in real sentences. Listen to each English sentence and say the Malagasy out loud during the pause. Take your time.
How would you say the cat is black?
Mainty ny saka.
How would you say the cloud is white?
Fotsy ny rahona.
How would you say the banana is yellow?
Mavo ny akondro.
How would you say the tree is brown?
Volontany ny hazo.
How would you say the flower is purple?
Volomparasy ny voninkazo.
How would you say the rose is pink?
Mavokely ny raozy.
And how would you say the orange fruit is orange?
Volomboasary ny voasary.
Wonderful. You now know 10 colors in Malagasy and you can use them to describe the world around you. Which color is your favorite? Try to say it out loud in a full sentence. For example, the sky is blue or the leaf is green. See you in the next lesson.